Hi everyone. Know that sound? A box came! Yay! So I've been waiting all day to unbox this with you. Here you go. You ready? Try and move this down a little bit more. All right. So I'm in my new office. What do you guys think? Isn't it pretty? It's really nice. It's a lot brighter, lighter. Still wanted some wood feel to it. And it looks amazing. So thanks, Julie. Julie is awesome. All right. Packaging supplies and all sorts of goodness. Hi, Mom. Yeah, isn't it beautiful? All right, what I really love, let me show you guys this. I love that I have right now a display. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right. That's what I got going on in front of me, and I love it. All right. So, in my box, I have Lifelong Vitality Pack. I love this supplement pack because it helps give you energy, stamina. It's gonna help support bone health, healthy immune system function, stress management, help support that. It's really gonna help lifelong wellness. So look at the long list there. Big long list. And there's ingredients, okay? Those are highlights. But the best part is our 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't notice that your life is changing, no matter how big or small, thanks to the Lifelong Vitality Pack, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee with doTERRA. So if you haven't tried it, give it a try. When you do take it for the first time, make sure you're only taking one of each. So over here you see 3 capsules. That's what they look like. And you're gonna take one of each of those, and you'll do that for 2 days, and then you'll increase another one of each for a couple more days, and then you'll increase again to the full dose. Some people actually will take a half dose, which is 2 of each in the day. So we'll take like 1 at breakfast and 1 at lunch, or I personally take breakfast and dinner. So that's what I like. All right, then with that, I wanted to get something else that I need because I've been needing this for my aches and discomfort from painting and doing all the housework and just being really busy and walking with Molly. So I have the Deep Blue Polyphenol Complex, which I love because it helps support any aches and discomfort. It's different than the Deep Blue oil, so I do use the oil on top of this, but this I use in place of some of the other over-the-counter things to help support my body. It's got a tummy calming blend in there, like ginger's in there, peppermint, caraway, and then it's got a lot of amazing things like pomegranate for antioxidant support, green tea, ginger, some more ginger, curcuminoids or turmeric. For those of you who don't know what curcuminoids are, frankincense, so amazing things are in here. So I got that for $20 instead of the full price, which is, I wanna say almost 60 bucks. So when you pair it with your Lifelong Vitality Pack, you get the option to get up to 3 additional items free. So you can get your children's supplements if you have kiddos or grandkids for $20 for both the multivitamin and the omegas for the kids. You could get the Deep Blue for 20 bucks, or it's 2 other things in here I use every night before bed. PB Assist Plus, which is our probiotic. So I got those 2 for 20 bucks. So it's definitely a way to save. I'm all about the savings by doing it in my loyalty rewards order and doing this pack. So you can only do that when you do it as a loyalty rewards order to save more money on some amazing supplements. The thing about the PB Assist Plus, the probiotic, is it's dual encapsulated. So it's got a pre and probiotic, which is very important for good gut health and supporting your immune system, your body in general, skin, hair, nails, your stress levels. It's going to help support that as well because there's a connection between the gut and the brain as well. All right, then I got some more On Guard toothpaste. Who doesn't need some good toothpaste? Love their toothpaste. It is the best, and I love that I can get it free. Okay, I'm waiting on these because those are specials. And then I purchased, there's a lot of specials in here. Ooh, I'm excited to show you the oil that I have not smelt yet. But that comes after the other thing I purchased. So the other thing I get, because I save between 14 and 16 bucks when I do the little bundle, is my adaptive capsules. Mom's favorite toothpaste, yeah, me too. For a natural toothpaste, that's amazing. It does whiten and brighten your teeth, and it helps protect your teeth. And it's amazing. Just love it. Good. It's very smart to have a good toothpaste, and it tastes great. Adaptive capsules, which is different than the adaptive oil. So I did the little bundle, the adaptive kit, which comes with the roller, which I carry in my purse. I've been known to give a few of the rollers away. I diffuse this every night, so I roll on every day, especially if things are stressful, or just continue to support my body overall. And then again, I diffuse this at night, or I'll put it on the bottom of my feet. And I take one of these before bed. Some people personally can't take it before bed, so they take it at dinner time, or they might take it like at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and they found it helps them too. If it's been a little bit more of a stressful time, or I didn't sleep as well, I might take an extra one of these, like one in the morning, to help me get through the day, and still take one at night. So that's what I do. All right, this is the first freebie that I got. Naioli. Who else got theirs? I want to know what you guys think. I have not smelled this yet. So I learned it's in DDR Prime. Ooh. It does remind me of tea tree, but sweeter. And it reminds me of eucalyptus. It's like a combination. I guess that's the best way to describe it. Ooh, I like that. I could see why I might want to put that in my homemade cleaning sprays. I do like this. So Naioli is in the Melaleuca family, but it's definitely not as sharp or pungent as Melaleuca can be, or I guess sometimes it can smell a little more like cleaner. This does have that cleaning, crisp scent, but it's not as pungent to me. A little bit more sweet, and then it's more, I get some notes of eucalyptus. You got yours? What do you think of Naioli? I love it. So Naioli is free this month till the 15th of the month when you do your loyalty rewards box. That's what I have here. This is how I get 30% back on everything that I ordered. And I also get freebies like this oil when I order by the 15th of the month, and I spend 125 PV. All right. Then I got, because I did 75 PV more, I got a free Immortelle blend. This is our anti-aging blend. There is no coconut oil in it. It is amazing for the skin, and I love it for helping support healthy skin and helping areas of any scarring or things like that. It really does help because it's got frankincense and myrrh and cedarwood and rose oil. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm missing. Lavender is in there, helichrysum, sandalwood. Yeah, no cedarwood, sandalwood. It's amazing, you guys. I love this blend. So I will show you because I think they changed the style of the cap yet. So the Immortelle, they kind of gave it a little upgrade, and my old one has a gold cap, but I like this. This looks pretty. It's nice. So there's that one. Yeah, it reminds you of mint. That's interesting. I don't get mint out of it, but I like it. It reminds me of eucalyptus right now. So I'm curious what everyone else thinks that got their Naioli. But I do like it. I love it. It's fun. And then Immortelle was free when I did 200 PV this month. That is all month long. So if you happen to do 200, and I know like Mom, you had to do another order because you needed some more stuff. And when you did that, you got another one free. So Immortelle, you can get more than one free if you do 200 PV twice in the month. But it has to be whole orders. So you can't do a little bit here, a little bit there. You need to do 200 and then 200, and you could get another one free this month. The Naioli, you can only get one free, just so you guys know. All right, here we go. I purchased this as well, and I'm super excited because they're almost sold out. It is the Citrus Bloom Hand Lotion. I have not smelt it, you guys. So here we go. My hands are a little dry from painting and washing them. Ooh, that is really nice. Oh. Mom, did you get your lotion? Oh yeah. And I'm just using a tiny bit for my hands. You don't need a lot. It's gonna last me a while. Oh wow. I like how that goes on. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. It says, the silky natural lotion absorbs quickly while awakening the senses with the exclusive Citrus Bloom Springtime Blend. Oh, I love this. It does say apply to hands and body to relieve dryness and enjoy the uplifting aroma of citrus bloom. But keep in mind, we've talked about this before, citrus oils and sun don't mix very well. So not recommended before extended UV exposure. I'm not gonna lather this on and then go out and sunbathe. This is something I will use at night before bed or use on areas I know are not gonna be exposed to the sun. I just love it. I love the bottle feels nice and smooth, like your skin should. Then there's a Citrus Bloom body wash. I can't wait to start using this. This sounds amazing. Says, formulated with only nature's finest ingredients, the doTERRA Spa Citrus Bloom Body Wash will leave your skin feeling clean, smooth, and fresh. The uplifting aroma of doTERRA Citrus Bloom Springtime Blend make it an ideal body wash to start your day. So you could use your Citrus Bloom body wash to start your day and just enjoy the invigorating and awakening your senses right away. All right, and then there's more. There's a deodorant. It's Citrus Bloom deodorant, and it's gonna help. It's long-lasting freshness and all-day confidence. I love that it's all natural ingredients. So it's a natural deodorant with, this one does have baking soda and tapioca and a bunch of other oils that are really good for your skin. So super excited to give that a try. It is a limit of 2 per account. I have not seen if they sold out. Then there's a pump. This, they came out with these at Christmas time, the pumps in this style bottle. The bottle is awesome. The pumps, people were kind of having trouble with them. They were sticking, but these are new and improved pumps, and I've been hearing some amazing things about them. So if you got the Christmas Holiday Joy one, or Holiday Piece, sorry, this is gonna be a little bit different of a pump. Then we've got the Citrus Bloom Foaming Hand Wash to go into our pump. I'm so excited to have this, especially with summer and springtime, because it's gonna smell amazing. So make sure you get your Citrus Bloom collection if it's still available. They have almost sold out as of, I think it was last night actually. So be sure to get this wonderful collection. It's an amazing deal. And there's still the Father's Day collection, the Amave. I got reminded, but I got all of mine that I could get, so. Okay, thanks Mom. So you can't buy the foaming hand wash by itself. So you could buy items individually, but right now the only thing you can buy individually would be the deodorant and, oh, you could do the deodorant, lotion, and body wash. You just can't buy this and the pump by themselves. Thank you. Okay, so be sure to grab those before they're gone, and be sure to share what you're super excited to get in your loyalty rewards box. If you guys have questions about what that is, be sure to leave a comment or message us and let us know. We'd be happy to help you, or talk to the person that invited you to watch this video. So that was what's in our box, and you guys got a little oil education on what things smell like, how to use them, what they're going to be good for, and I am excited to keep learning more about Naioli and hear what everyone else thinks in the Citrus Bloom collection. And if you think the Citrus Bloom collection should be a permanent item in the spa product line, let us know in the comments. We want to hear what you think, because the more we comment and the more we let doTERRA know, more likely it'll happen. So have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Happy oiling, everyone.